In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack using the full 2025 guide. This step-by-step walkthrough is designed to help you seamlessly connect these two powerful tools so you can streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Slack open. This could be on your desktop application or simply in your browser, whichever you prefer. It's important to have it ready because that's where most of our action will take place. Now navigate to the left sidebar of your Slack window. Here you'll see an option to add apps. This is your gateway to connecting Slack with a whole range of other applications, including Trello, which is just what we want to do right now. Once you click on add apps, you have to search for Trello. This is done in the Slack app directory, a comprehensive list of integrations you can add to your Slack workspace. Simply start typing Trello in the search bar and it should pop up quite quickly. It's a popular and useful tool, so you definitely won't have to scroll far to find it. After you found Trello, click on Add to Slack. This button will set things in motion and will redirect you to the Trello authorization page. If you're not already logged into your Trello account, don't worry, this page will prompt you to enter your credentials. Simply log in as you normally would. Once you're signed in, it's crucial to carefully review the permissions being requested. Slack needs access to your Trello boards and cards. This permission allows Slack to post updates on your behalf, which is key to ensuring the integration functions smoothly. When you've reviewed all the permissions and feel comfortable clicking forward, go ahead and click Allow to authorize the connection. This final step confirms the integration and sets both platforms communicating with one another seamlessly. Congratulations, you've just integrated Trello with Slack. With these two tools connected, your team can benefit from real-time updates and notifications straight from Trello into Slack, keeping everyone in the loop and on the same page. Teams commonly use this integration to centralize communication around projects, streamline task updates, and even speed up decision-making processes by having everything accessible in a single, familiar interface. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope this process was straightforward and that the integration makes your future project management efforts more efficient and effective. If you have any further questions or need a recap, feel free to rewatch the video or reach out for more support. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and teamwork that comes with this integration. Remember, every tool is only as powerful as the user makes it, so keep exploring and optimizing your workflows. Happy integrating!